Bookmarks are an easy way for you to keep track of all the great things that are happening inside of your Mighty network. It's available to hosts, moderators, and members. You will see the ability to bookmark content on this little icon here. You can just go ahead and click that. And then it will be added to your bookmarks list. You can click the little pop-up here or go to personal settings and click bookmarks. You can bookmark anything inside of a feed, posts, articles, questions, and you can also bookmark any lessons inside of a course as well, or any course content by selecting the three-dot menu and bookmark lesson. And you can also bookmark events as well. So if you wanted to head over to events, and just click the three-dot menu here, and you can bookmark the event. So it's just an easy way for you to keep track of all the great things that are happening inside of your Mighty network.